Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Turn the ignition off and remove the negative battery cable for 15 minutes. This prevents short circuits and protects vehicle electronics from damage. Gather a 3mm screwdriver, trim tools, a replacement bulb or LED, and nitrile gloves for grip. Work in a dry, well-lit area with the dashboard at room temperature. Lay a towel across the steering column to catch small screws. Keep all fasteners organized in a small tray or magnetic dish during removal. Remove bezel screws and lift the trim using panel tools and steady pressure. Work around the edges to avoid cracking the plastic or bending clips. Disconnect any electrical connectors by pressing the plastic release tab carefully and pulling straight out. Place the instrument cluster on a towel to protect the lens from scratches. Remove the 4 6mm screws that secure the cluster to the dash and set them aside in order. Twist and remove the failed 12V bulb or pull the LED module straight out of its socket. Inspect the socket for corrosion or melted plastic and clean with electrical contact cleaner if necessary. Install the correct replacement rated for 12V and match the socket type to ensure proper fit. Reinstall the cluster and secure the 4 6mm screws in their original locations. Reconnect the negative battery cable and verify the dashboard light illuminates within 10 seconds after powering on.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.